Phonics. Phonics are the letter sounds that refers to the individual sounds or phonemes that are associated with each letter of the alphabet. For example, the letter A has the sound A as in apple, and the letter B has the sound B as in ball. Letter sounds are an essential component of phonics instructions, as they help children learn to decode and read words. By recognizing the sounds that are associated with each letter, children can sound out words and break them down into their individual phonemes, which helps them read and understand written language. Let's learn phonetic sounds of the letters. A, apple, airplane. A, apple, airplane. B, ball, basket. B, ball, basket. C, cat, clown. C, cat, clown. D, dog, dish. D, dog, dish. A, elephant, egg. A, elephant, egg. F, fish, fan. F, fish, fan. G, gate, gorilla. G, gate, gorilla. H, hen, hat. H, hen, hat. E, ink, injection. E, ink, injection. J, jug, jacket. J, jug, jacket. K, kite, king. K, kite, king. L, lemon, lamp. L, lemon, lamp. M, mango, mat. M, mango, mat. N, nose, net. N, nose, net. O, orange, ostrich. O, orange, ostrich. P, panda, penguin. P, panda, penguin. Q, quilt, queen. Q, quilt, queen. R, rose, rabbit. R, rose, rabbit. S, sun, soap. S, sun, soap. T, tree, truck. T, tree, truck. A, umbrella, umpire. A, umbrella, umpire. V, van, vase. V, van, vase. War, watch, wall. War, watch, wall. X, xylophone, x-ray. X, xylophone, x-ray. Y, yak, yolk. Y, yak, yolk. Z, zebra, zoo. Z, zebra, zoo. Let's repeat. A, b, k, d, a, f, g, h, i, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z.